My name is Raghavendra Bhatkar. I am from Kalburgi district, Karnataka state. I have completed my MTech, BE and Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Visvesvaraya Technical University, Belgaum, Karnataka. I was searching a job in IT company, but unfortunately I was not getting success. But by luckily one of my friend has given suggestion to join eVision TechnoServe. The eVision TechnoServe is an IT requirement and manpower outsourcing company. In eVision, I had joined full-day job internship under guidance of IT managers and administrator. After joining the full-day job internship, I got some real-time work experience in core technologies like CCNA routing and switching, virtualization, cybersecurity, and Windows Server administration. Where in Windows Server administration, I learned different administrator tools like Task Scheduler, Event Viewer, local user and groups, device manager, disk management, fragmentation and defragmentation, disk cleanup, and also about password policy in Windows. Then also I learned how to take backup, how to secure device using BitLocker, about Windows Server 2012R, about the domain and workgroup environment, about the ADDS rule and domain controller. Then I learned how to create new users, then process of domain joining and DHCP configuration, then how to install Windows operating system in domain network through WDS. Then also I learned about mailing system and MS Outlook with manually and automatically Outlook mail configuration. In CCNA model, I learned many concepts theoretically as well as practically, such as basic of network, IP addressing, different types of cables which are using in networking, how to configure static routing, dynamic routing, such as AIGRP, RIP, OSPF, NAT, DHCP configuration. I learned about subnetting as well as switching concepts. During this job internship, I also learned different troubleshooting techniques for the different issues like BOCD issues, black screen issues, system hanging issues, incoming and outgoing, that is mail sending and receiving issues, then about PSTN backup, restore issues. All these practicals which are equivalent to real-time work experience. So which I can say I am 100% confident about each and every concept with theoretically as well as practically. During the job internship, every weekend there was a mock interview where I also faced nearly 4 to 6 mock interviews. These mock interviews helps me a lot to find my deficiency and get correction myself. So which helps me to lot to increase my confidence. So I felt confidently to show my skills and knowledge in the real-time interview, and I am confident that I will crack the interview in first attempt only. I assure I will prove that with my skills and knowledge, which helps to 100% growth opportunities of company. Thank you.